Good morning, students. Hope you have completed the last two chapters we have done on your book as well as you have learned them. So, today we are going to start the new chapter Unusual Plant on page number 9. So, open your books and let's start it. Unusual plants. As the name suggests, unusual means which are not usually seen, which are rarely seen. These plants are not like the regular plants that we see in our surroundings. They have certain properties which make them different from the regular plants that we see in our surroundings. Let's read the first line. Mother Nature can be very strange and sometimes its creations can be incredible. Right? So here the line also clear something about unusual plants, that nature is very strange sometimes. So in nature there are many things which are very creative and sometimes they are very incredible. They have no competition with the others. They are breaking all the rules of the nature. So there are certain things present on the earth which are not following the rules of the mother nature as well, which are different and unusual. You will see some descriptions and clues about some plants on the book, and you have to name those plants. See the first one. This tree is a member of Asparagus family. It is from the island of Socotra and is well known for its striking umbrella-like appearance. You can see the picture given. It is from asparagus family and it has an appearance like an umbrella. So this tree, as you can see in the picture, has an umbrella like structure and belongs to an asparagus family and found mostly on the island of Socotra. This is called dragon tree. So write down dragon tree here. Then the number 2. See the plant, see the figure here, also known as the bottle tree. You can see the shape of this tree. It is like a bottle. This tree originally belongs to Madagascar and can hold approximately 300 liters of water. Amazingly, it can live for over 2000 years. That is why they are called bottle tree, because they approximately can store 300 liters of water. So 300 liters of water they can store and they can live for over 2000 years. Found mostly in Madagascar. These are baobab trees. Number 3. Also known as Mexican tree. This tree bears ornate red flowers having the shape of a clawed hand. The tree had religious significance to the pre-Columbian Aztec people. As you can see in the picture here, the flower of this plant is like a clawed hand. It means that it is like a hand or a claw, right? So that is why, because it is like the hand. It is like the hand. That's why it is having some religious significance. Religiously, it is very important for the people belonging to pre-Columbian Aztec. There is a hand in the picture. That's why this is called devil's hand tree. Next, number 4. This plant. This plant is famous for its movement. Its small lateral leaflets rotate on its axis upon slightest influence of touch, sunshine, warmth or small vibration. So very significant plant this is. It can even feel the vibrations, very small vibrations. It can also feel the warmth. It can move on feeling the sunlight. It can move with a small touch. It can move with sunlight. It can move with warmth or small vibrations even. So that's why this is called, because it can feel even the smallest vibration. So that is why this plant is called a telegraph plant. Number 5. This extraordinary desert fern seems dead, but when it is put in water, it opens up and becomes all green and alive. It is a fern plant found in the desert. From the picture we can say that it is almost dead. If you see it, you will see that it is all dried up and a dead plant. But when you pick it up and put it into water, it opens up and becomes all green and alive. As you put it into water, it will change its color to green and again become alive. How extraordinary it is. So this plant is called Rose of Jericho. Rose of Jericho. Number 6. Also known as golden fig, this tree first grows on the branches of another tree. It then grows long roots, stretches around the tree, then takes its sunlight and kills it. Then it takes the host tree's place. As you can see here, these are strangler fig. What they do is they grow on other tree and then they grow along the roots and stretches around the tree, then takes its sunlight and kills it. So as it is golden in color, it does not produce food for itself, but it has to survive. So for its survival, it takes the sunlight of the green tree on which it is growing, and then slowly it kills that original tree and takes its place. This is called a strangler fig.